6 popular organic teas that are good for health. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the beauty and benefits of 6 popular organic teas together. From delicate aroma to healthy effects, we will explore green tea, black tea, white tea, lotus seed tea, mint tea and flower tea in turn. Let's start the journey of experience with these wonderful teas. 1. Organic green tea. Organic green tea is not only a delicious drink but also a rich source of health benefits. Created from the young leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant and through a unique processing process, organic green tea preserves its antioxidant content. This helps protect cells from the negative effects of free radicals and prevents aging. The ability to boost immunity, improve cardiovascular function and support metabolism are important benefits of organic green tea. Organic green tea is not only a part of tea culture but also actively contributes to a healthy and balanced lifestyle. 2. Organic black tea. Organic black tea is not only an enjoyable drink but also offers many health benefits. Created through full fermentation, organic black tea has a rich flavor and characteristic dark brown color. Organic black teas are not only enjoyable to taste, but also contain many healthful compounds. They can help boost blood circulation, support cardiovascular function, and provide refreshing energy. Thanks to the special processing, organic black tea also retains a portion of antioxidants, which help protect the body from cell damage and the risk of aging. At the same time, enjoying organic black tea is a fun way to connect with tea culture and ensure a healthy and balanced lifestyle. 3. Organic white tea. Organic white tea offers a range of health benefits and a refined enjoyment experience. Created from the fresh young leaves of the tea tree, this is the least processed tea, keeping the original flavor and nutrients intact. The light and sweet taste of organic white tea creates a relaxing and soothing experience for the taste buds. In addition, organic white tea also contains natural antioxidant compounds, which help protect cells from damage and the risk of aging. The ability to boost the immune system and aid in digestion are also notable benefits of this tea. Through the perfect combination of the essence of nature and health, organic white tea is not only a beverage but also a part of a healthy and enjoyable lifestyle. 4. Organic lotus seed tea. Organic lotus seed tea not only offers a delicious and unique taste, but also offers many amazing health benefits. Crafted from closed lotus buds, this tea preserves part of the fresh and delicate essence of the lotus flower. The delicate taste of organic lotus seed tea is a harmonious combination of gentle aroma and natural sweetness. The natural antioxidant compounds in lotus seed tea along with valuable nutrients can aid digestion, reduce stress, and calm the soul. Enjoying organic lotus seed tea is also a fun way to relax and enjoy moments of peace. Thanks to its exquisite combination of great taste and health benefits, organic lotus seed tea is not only a beverage but also a delightful experience for the mind and body. 5. Organic mint tea. Organic mint tea is not only a refreshing drink but also offers many useful benefits for health and spirit. Made from fresh mint leaves, this tea creates a characteristic cool taste, bringing a refreshing and cooling sensation to the taste buds. Its ability to promote relaxation is one of the hallmarks of organic mint tea. The aromatic composition in mint can help reduce stress, soothe the soul, and create a state of calm in the mind. Not only does it help improve mood, peppermint tea can also aid digestion and reduce symptoms of bloating. Through the harmonious combination of great taste and relaxing impact. 6. Organic flower tea. Organic flower tea is a symbol of the essence of nature and relaxation. This tea, which includes varieties like chrysanthemum tea, rose tea and lavender tea, is made with fresh organic flowers. The ability to bring out a fresh and natural aroma is a special feature of organic flower tea. Each sip of organic flower tea is like a breath of nature, creating a state of relaxation and peace for the soul. Not only creating a pleasant taste experience, organic flower tea can also help reduce stress, create relaxation and relieve stress. In addition, some organic flower teas are said to have the ability to optimize sleep and calm mood. From fresh scents to health and wellness benefits. Thank you for taking the time to explore our delicious organic teas with us. Hopefully this video has helped you better understand the benefits and exciting experiences that these teas have to offer. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to support our channel and not miss other interesting videos in the future.